day, I don't even know of them working on the police station next to us. It's driving me nuts. It's been waking me up like every time, like every day. Today was horrible. Like, I really needed like an extra hour of sleep, but no. I wanted to make some videos for this week because we're going off to West Virginia on Friday for a couple days to go house hunting, but they're making so much darn noise outside. It's like it's giving me headaches. It's waking me up earlier, which is good, but then it makes me extremely tired for the entire day. It's keeping me distracted. It's driving me nuts. I can't even complain because it's their job, you know. It's not like a neighbor. Thankfully our neighbors are quiet here, but this is almost equivalent to what we've been hearing in Ashwood before it burned down. Oh god. Honestly, the banging that I'm hearing, the vibrations of the noise that they're making is bringing me back some terrible memories. I mean, you guys hear it, right? Like, I'm not insane here. But yeah, it's every day that they're doing that. It's every day, bro. Okay, that was just cringe. But anyways, guys. Oh my god, it's so loud. I can't even record any videos in my room because of all the noise. But anyways, I hope you guys are excited for the house hunting videos because when we're going house hunting this weekend, this could be it. Like, this could be the weekend we find the right house and literally buy one. Now, that could be very well unlikely. You know, we need to find the right house. You know, we can't just pick the first house we see. And now our realtor is probably more energized to show us more houses this time because we can put an offer. We're actually approved to buy a house. And it's exciting, but also nerve-wracking too. And you know, we could find the right house. I don't know. Hopefully we do, because if we don't, then we're gonna have to drive 7 hours back to West Virginia again, which would be totaling like what, 28 hours? God, that's a lot. And one of you actually asked about my dad's car. I think the most important thing to note is the amount of traveling we're doing with my dad's like tiny car, and it's been pretty reliable. Luckily, like we kind of need a reliable car right now to be driving 7 hours away. 7 hours to West Virginia, and then 7 hours back, and then 7 hours to West Virginia, and then 7 hours back, and then the actual move, which, oh my god. Yeah, so just stay tuned for the videos to come because there's gonna be a lot. Probably, like, if we see a lot of houses this weekend, I'm gonna record all of it, and I'm probably gonna have to cut it up into 2 videos. So, like, I don't know. There's gonna be a lot of long videos about the house hunting stuff. Like, the first trip was kind of a dud, but the first trip was almost kind of stupid because we didn't have approval for a loan to buy a house. This time we do, so our realtor's more energized to show us the house, like I said. So yeah, that's the updates. Oh my god, I've been talking for 6 minutes straight. I honestly, the noise is just driving me nuts. I had to pick up the camera and just start talking because I need to. Oh, and our internet's been kicking out like so many times today. So yeah, that's just another lovely thing. And to top it all off, our internet keeps kicking out today like every 10 minutes. I mean, it's in my room. I can't just move my computer setup into the living room. So if it stays like this, I might end up having to. I still don't even have internet. Like, what? We don't even have internet. Like, could they be messing with the internet too? Hear the noise out there?
Yeah. There's hardly any building left.
Okay, well, it's been vibrating the entire building all day long, non-stop. Woke me up.
They're knocking the wall down and sitting in big steel things.
But how long is that gonna be? How long is this gonna be?
Can't be much longer. Ain't much left.
Okay. Should we fly the drone over them working on it?
Let me have a cigarette first.
Oh my god, what is happening?
I know.
Holy moly. This is wild. And it is the thing that's been annoying me all day. Oh my god, my ears. Ugh. Oh my god, it's hot. I know. Man, it's hot. I'm guessing he's trying to set up the drone in the shadow of the dumpster. Holy moly. Hit the record button. Do you see it? Oh my god.
Is that good?
Yeah, where is it?
It's right where the sun's at.
Okay.
What?
We'll keep looking at that one.
Well, let's say it's staying there.
It needs to go over there where they're actually demolishing that part.
Well, the problem is I can't fucking see it.
Oh my god. This is ridiculous. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was $1 million shot right there.
I got it.
I better not.
What do you have for dinner?
Pizza. You're making sure it sees it, right?
Yeah. I backed it up a bit so I'll get the last of the building falling down.
Wow.
Now it doesn't really show the machine, but it's showing the last wall. Hey, look, he's recording too.
Who?
Across the street.
Alright, well, you might as well fly the drone back.
Alright, I'm gonna find it.
I see it right there. It's right in that white cloud.
Okay.
Oh man, I'm getting hot. Wow. Well, I'm pretty sure we got the $1 million shot of that on the drone.
Roof collapsing. We got it from up in the air and you got it.
This better not just get 100 views. You sweaty?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's like a sprinkle. Is it safe though? It's just like, it's full of dust too. Oh my god. I'm getting wet here. Where are you going? This way? What? To that sidewalk. Oh my god, there's just a tiny corner. A tiny sliver. Here's cinder blocks moving. Whoa, look. No. Oh. My god. I think that was all that's left. And I just got on camera. Why are cars beeping? What the heck? Something just flew up into the air.
I don't know if you have to get this skill later.
Oh my god. This is why I had headaches all day today. Maybe you should have kept the drone up.
I know, I was saying that.
Huh. Oh god.
No, should we go back?
Yeah. It smells like ashwood.
Yeah, that's a good way. Hey, look, he's right there.
I know. God, that's so strange. I feel water. Oh my god, this wind is so annoying. Look, more water.
Ah, feels good.
It's like that thing at Dorney Park. You know, the thing that sprays water?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm getting wet.
I know.
Isn't it dusty rain? What are you wearing?
I don't know if it's not, huh? I thought you were on it.
I said, is that dusty rain?
Yeah. Last year's never dusty right now.
So you mean to tell me that that is going to be project number 2? Oh. That means another couple weeks of hearing this.
Yeah.
Oh god. Oh. Wow. This looks so strange. And now we're gonna have to deal with that one.
Yeah. Well, we'll just hit the drone up and let it hover for 30 minutes.
Okay.
And then bring it down and put the other battery in, do another 30 minutes.
Oh, the wind, why? I am so annoyed. Basically, we had the $1 million shot of the thing falling down with the drone. And, I mean, obviously you could tell by the tone of my voice that apparently he didn't hit the record button. Like when I said hit the record button, so it was recording, it wasn't. So when I had said stop the recording so it saves when we're done, that was when the recording started. So none of that was recorded on the drone. And I mean, I have some of the footage from this camera, but that is just annoying. That was like literally the $1 million shot. That would have been the best thing we've ever gotten on the drone. I don't even know what the title of this video now. I was gonna title it "Flying a Drone Over the Demolishing of the Thing," but so they're getting the last piece of it.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh man.
That's what they're doing. They want to make sure it didn't fall.
I can't believe it.
Neither can I. It's a hot freaking day. He's sticky, sweaty, and tight.
You could have just started the drone like right here and under the shade.
No, I can't. There's too many wires.
Okay, you need to buy sunglasses then.
Yeah, I know. Oh God, it's even higher now.
Alright, what is this?
Wow. Look at that nasty cloud.
Ooh. That
There's
is...
a fly drone up in the clouds.
It's going over there though, it's passing over us.
I wonder if it's a fly drone up in the clouds.
Flying a drone into a cloud, wow. I bet no one has done that before. And would totally be more interesting than flying a drone into a volcano that got 500,000 views.
Well, most people aren't near an active volcano.
Well, I'm sure there's one around, right? What?
The closest one to us is about 5,000 miles away.
Yeah, exactly. God, it still looks really weird just not seeing the building right there.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so I hope you did enjoy this video. Still a little annoyed that we didn't get the footage on the drone, but that was some crazy destruction. Yes, I have my hair tied back for once. I don't know, I figured I'd try it. I might need it tied back for house hunting, because it's getting too long for me to just have it out. Especially in the wind, oh my god. But anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to check out the 2 other videos we have of the police station. Like the one video we explored it before it got demolished completely. And then the previous video. Well, I would have made this video 100,000 times better if we had that aerial view. Oh well. Not at all that I'm mad at my dad or anything. I'm just mad at the fact that we don't have that footage, you know? But anyways, make sure to subscribe if you're brand new to the channel. Make sure to leave a like if you did like the video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't know what it'll be. I might have a live Q&A before we go head off to West Virginia. But then when we come back, it's going to be all house hunting videos. Maybe if I get the chance, I'll record something to go public while we're in West Virginia. But this is it. This is probably the last. This is the last of me really talking to you guys before we go house hunting, which is in 3 days. So I hope you guys are excited for that, because I am. And we could possibly buy a house this weekend. I mean, I know the process is a lot longer than that, but I mean like actually, hey, this house we like. Let's start the process. Anyways, see you guys in the next video. Bye.